Good afternoon. Today is Friday, March 5th, and this is science class, second year, the rainforest. Today we're going to start talking about the beautiful ecosystem that we have in all around the world, and we are specifically going to talk about what we have in Venezuela. We have this wonderful area that students will be citing what did they see and describe where this area is. We are going to show a map also about where in purple we have the most important rainforest in the world. We're going to show you that many years ago, 15% of rainforests were on Earth. Nowadays, after all the destruction that we've been going through and many other factors, we only have a 6% of our Earth with rainforest. We have a video, a short 4-minute video that I'll be showing them, the students, about the formation of the rainforest around the world. So we are going to read rainforests are Earth's oldest living ecosystems. And then we're going to talk about the diverse and complexity of this area, the kind of animals like flora and fauna that we can find here. Definition: what is a rainforest? A rainforest is a thick jungle which get an unusual large amount of rain. This is a very simple definition of a rainforest, where we can say that it covers only a 6% of our Earth's surface, and it holds about one half of the world's plant and animal type. Then we'll describe the four layers of rainforest, which are the emergent layer, canopy layer, understory layer, and the forest floor layer. Then we'll give a brief class of geography. And here we'll be talking about the different lines, imaginary lines that were drawn around our Earth in order to locate countries and areas on the world. We're going to talk about the prime meridian, the equator, then Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn, which protect all what we call the tropic area. Then we'll talk about the Arctic Circle and the Antarctic Circle. By this way, we can see and locate the students will see that from 0 degree to 23.5 degrees south is what we have, the rainforest, and also on the south. And from 0 degree to 23.5 degrees north, we have the northern part of the rainforest around the world. We can set the type of rainforest, as I was saying with a map, tropical rainforest located between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Then we have the second, which is a temperate rainforest located in the mid-latitudes, where temperatures are more mild than the tropics. Another map showing another figure about the Earth, exactly showing where the Tropic of Cancer and Capricorn are with the equator. More beautiful pictures of the rainforest so we can here identify these places. Students will be brainstorming about places they have been, that they have similar locations, similar views. For example, we can say that there is in the Venezuelan park, Henry Pittier. Only we can say about the park, National Park El Ávila, Topo Tepuy, and Guyana, of course, among the places they mentioned. Benefits of rainforests, what are they good for? We will talk about the ecological well-being of the protection of our planet, the reducing the impact of greenhouse gas effect of greenhouse gas emissions around the world, and also the process of stabilizing the Earth's climate. We will also talk about the human well-being, how they're good for humans, all the products we receive from the rainforest, also the different species like cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, and ginger. And since the ecosystems support fruits, including bananas, papayas, mangoes, cocoa, and coffee beans. We also will talk about many medicine product or medicinal products come from the forest, from the rainforest. U.S. National Cancer Institute says that approximately 70% of plants are used in treatments of cancer around the world. Also, we can say that there is an important, or specifically an important mushroom of fungi found in Ecuador, which is capable of consuming polyurethane, which is a very hard, durable type of plastics. Okay. What about the threat to rainforests? In here, where we will talk about the details about what is producing the rainforest to disappear. Rainforests are disappearing at an alarming rate very, very fast in the last few centuries. As I was saying before, 14% of land on Earth belong to Earth rainforest. Now we only have 6%. What is the main cause? The main problem here will be extensive deforestation. That is said that could cause many important rainforest habitats to disappear. Rainforest conservation, we mentioned what are we going to do to protect our earth. We can eliminate deforestation completely, support indigenous communities, reduce the amount of carbon footprint, use the social media to stop this problem for hitting us. Areas of the world where we have rainforests, as I said, looking at the map, we have Central America. We also have the Amazon jungle in South America, which is the largest rainforest that we have around the world. Central Africa, which is the second largest rainforest, and also Australia's rainforests, which are very dense and lush, but not as big as the previous one. Communities, what type of people live there? What type of animals live there? What type of plants we have on the, of what communities we have on the rainforest? 50 million tribal people live in rainforest. So that's a lot of people, okay? So we also said about what are the specific tribes that we mentioned here, the Pygmies, the Yanomamis, and the Holis. Where are they? What part of the earth they live? Biodiversity in the rainforest. What is biodiversity? Is the variation of different living organisms, different sources, including terrestrial, marine, and desertic or desert ecosystem, and the ecological complex in which they are part of. So we will mention the rainforest rich biodiversity is important for the well-being of our planet. We go back and forward with this same idea. Protect our planet. This is the idea of this class. Okay, understand the reason why this is becoming this, why are we destroying our land? Scientists study the rainforest because it is our home and also a home of diverse life for any type of animals and plants. Ecosystem, an ecosystem which is the largest ecosystem in the world will be the Amazon, where we have all these beautiful plants and even plants and animals, and especially different people that also live in there. We have the deforestation in the Amazon in Venezuela. We will talk a little bit about this. And also we will describe specifically what type of, let's say, fauna we have in the rainforest, especially in Venezuela. We have the spider monkeys, then we have the toucan, which is our national bird. We have also a poison arrow frog, among others. There should be 6 questions that the students are going to play with us and play and find where are the answer for these correct answers. And this will get you to the final slide, which is homework. Make a poster about how can I help to save the rainforest. We're going to use maps and pictures to express your feelings about conservation of the rainforest. This is due March 12th. So any instructions or any more guidelines should be posted already in academia. So thank you very much for your attention.